What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to your favorite diecast collecting channel. We are going to do an unboxing today. I've got some Matchbox, I've got some Hot Wheels, and I've got some M2 machines to crack open. Some old, some new, and we're gonna jump right into the video with the Matchbox. First of all, we got this old school Ltd Police Car. Let's get some more light over here. I really like these police cars. They have a pretty decent amount of detail. There's a whole bunch of this casting that I want to get, and this first one is from Ridge, New York. Pretty awesome. Let's see, this one is a little harder to open. Oh, there it goes. And here we go. Check it out. Ridge, New York Police, dial 911. I wonder what that's supposed to be. If you know, let me know in the comments. We got side view mirrors. We got us some red and blues on top, blue tinted windows. Nice looking police tempo. Very appropriate wheels. And we got a plasticky chrome base. I really like this casting. I'm kind of curious. I didn't look earlier. Let's see how old this one is. This one is from, if it's 1998 on the copyright, it's probably from 99. That's my guess. Great little casting. Dig that one, and I can't wait to get more of that casting. All right, next one up is more recent. Is a 65 Land Rover Gen 2 with some pretty interesting looking tempo. Let's take a look at it. All right, here we go. Pretty cool. Got some luggage up there. We got side view mirrors once again. No interior, which I'm just now noticing. We got the grayed out mirrors. No tail lights or headlights. But we got a lot of tempo on the side here. It says Matchbox Africa with a zebra print. Black plastic base. And it's a pretty cool looking wheels. I like this one. I wouldn't have paid more than $1 for it though, so that's that. I'm glad to have it. And this next one though, I had to order because I thought it was so cool, but there's no way I'm gonna find this on the peg. It's the '93 Ford Explorer from the OG Jurassic Park. How cool is that, right? Pretty cool. I am stoked to have this one for sure. In my, once I move, which will be pretty soon now, I'm gonna have a whole Matchbox wall finally, which I've been wanting to do for a while, and this is definitely gonna make the cut. It's got side view mirrors, beautiful tempos all around. Looks just like the OG vehicles from the movie. So cool. It's even got the glass top with the T-Rex bust through to scare the crap out of those two little kiddos. Yellow wheels and all. So cool. I love that one. That is one cool casting. That one, I don't think that was like $7 or $8, but it was worth it in my opinion. All right, now let's bust out some Hot Wheels. All of these were on the peg, and some of them were even from today. We got a Cadillac Ct-V. I'm not sure what this set is from. I think it's like luxury, like sedans or something like that. Let me be honest with you, I love Lamborghini, but they had that Lamborghini on the peg, and I just didn't really like it that much. That looked kind of funny. It's a funny looking casting. So I skipped it, and I grabbed this Cadillac instead. And here it is. Oh, cool. Got the V12 logo. No side view mirrors on this one. Got some headlights. Some grille work. Pretty basic, but pretty nice. Got tail lights and some emblem work. I like it. It's a good looking car. Very cool. Of course, got the chromey 10 spokes, and yeah, that's that one. Not a whole lot to say about that one. I do like it though, it's pretty cool. And now I got another one of these. They're kind of going nuts with this casting. I think like 4 or 5 of these now at this point. There's probably, 8 or 9 that you could get. I mean, it's nice. Obviously, I bought it, but it was only 99 cents. But it's pretty cool. I like the old Broncos better, but this one's still nice. Got side view mirrors. Got some really interesting red paint going on. Muddy tires, muddy tempo, and the Bronco grill. which is pretty nice. It'll go good with the others. All right, so next up, speaking of castings and cars in general that Hot Wheels just loves. Hot Wheels loves making GT40s. I think it's a pretty cool car, don't get me wrong, but holy smokes, I have so many of these and I don't even like go out of my way to find them. Like there are so many of these. But this one, of course, is the white Golf, so I had to pick this one up. Everyone loves the Golf tampos. Also has the Ryu logo right there, Firestone, Autolite, and of course the number 9. Lensed headlights, which is very cool. Some cool exhaust there. Pretty nice. Got some like copper tone, like orangey 5-spokes. Pretty nice looking. It's a nice car. I mean, I think I like this GT a little more though, honestly. At a glance, I thought it was a new Corvette. But still, very nice car. 17 Ford GT from Hot Wheels Turbo. Yeah, really nice color. I like that quite a bit. See the engine in the back there. You can see the interior through those nice windows, all rolled up. Beautiful headlights. Ford logo is easy to read. And no tails. It's always one or the other with Hot Wheels. I really like the blacked out PR5s. Those are really cool. Yeah, that's a really nice one. Yeah, I like that GT a little bit more than the white one. And now for my one and only premium, Hot Wheels premium anyway, in this video, we got us an old Volvo P220 Amazon Estate. I just thought this was adorable. I had to pick it up. I collect all different kinds of vehicles, and I just thought this one was so quirky and cool looking. Had to grab it. I know nothing about Volvo other than they're Swedish, and when I went to Sweden, they are all over the roads. There's nothing but Volvos and Beamers in Sweden. And yes, I love it. You know what I love about it? Is how slammed it is. Look at that. That thing is dumped to the ground, which I love. Nice details up front. Actual metal grille. Nice paint around the windshield for trim. Handles. Very nice. Those wheels are great. I think those are the wheels they're going to put on the next RLC Countach, which I admit I pre-ordered. I paid the extra for it. I don't care. I have to have it. Some nice taillights. It has a little tab in the back, so it's only one rivet casting, which is weird for a metal-based car, in my opinion, but it still looks pretty nice. One thing I trip out on is when premiums don't have side view mirrors. Like, why not? Give us the side view mirrors. They're so stingy. But yeah, that is a cool little casting. I like that one quite a bit. Happy to have that. Let's see. So that was the Hot Wheels and the Matchbox. I have a couple M2. Now, after doing a little review, I have this one already. I actually accidentally bought a double. So I'm not going to bother to crack this one open. I've already cracked it open on camera. Great car, fantastic casting. But like I said, I've already got one, so I guess I'll just put that one right there. But we are going to open this one. Its counterpart, the Mustang Gt5 Liter. Really, really awesome. So cool. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and crack this one free, and I'll be right back. And here it is in the Lexan, just so you can get a look at it. And it's a nice little collector case. Pretty cool. But now let's truly set it free. All right, check this bad boy out. That is one good looking Fox body. Cool, like it's like metallic, sparkly, but like subtle. It looks really nice. I like that a lot. It's got side view mirrors, of course. Everything about this casting is so realistic. Look at that interior. So realistic, so cool. I love it. So nice. 1988. Fantastic year for vehicles. That's the year that my GMC is. Taillights look great. Headlights look very good. Not perfect. There's a little gap on that right one, but still pretty nice. The wheels look authentic. Very cool. Let's check out the engine. I know it opens. There we go. Not a whole lot of color, but the detail on the actual parts itself look really nice. It's got a nice little wire tuck to the intake and the airbox real nicely. Very cool. Yeah, that's a nice looking Mustang. Back in my import days, I never would give a Mustang props. But now as an adult, I love all different kinds of vehicles, and I gotta be honest, that's pretty cool looking. Very nice. I just realized there's one car I forgot to show you guys that I picked up recently. I want to do a whole video on these kind of cars, these crack-ups, but I just can't find a whole lot of mint ones like this one. This one, I still consider it mint, even though it has a little chip right there. I wouldn't say it's dead mint or gem mint 10. I would say it's like a solid, you know, 9.5 out of 10, because it's really nice other than that one little tiny flaw. You just don't see these in that good a shape because, you know, they're designed to be, you know, slammed into, you know, like, so you can see the crash damage there. I'm sure most of you guys, if not all of you, are familiar. But yeah, these crack-ups are hard to find mint. This one looks really nice, especially for the age. I forget, I should have done some research before. I think it's a 1984, possibly 85. I'm not 100% sure, but in that ballpark, the mid-80s. Awesome black walls, metal on metal. Love these. And I just love anything with a Hong Kong base. When you have a Hong Kong base, you know you got something old and vintage. And when it's mint like this, it just, something about it makes me happy. But alright, you guys, that was the video. That's all I got for you today. Thanks again for hanging out with me on this Friday afternoon. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And if you're new to my channel, my name's J-Dog, and I post diecast videos once or twice a week, more or less. And if collecting little cars is your thing, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video. And I'll catch you dudes next time.